Hey yo, what's up guys, I'm back with a new video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a battle royale game. So this is going to be part 1. So in today's part I'm going to be doing the main stuff, like setting everything up and making a lobby so we can teleport the players to the main area. So this is not going to be like the main lobby where you ready up. This is going to be the place where whenever the players join, it will put you in a lobby and start the battle royale game here. So for now, yeah, the map and everything is gonna be so bad, but yeah, it's gonna be temporary. So this is gonna be the main map. Just give it a grass texture. Remove the texture in it. So we don't need this spawn location, and this is gonna be it. If we should have random weapons lying around, and yeah, stuff like that. So let's do that. I'm gonna just get some basic tools from the Roblox toolbox because I don't want to waste time on them right now. So let me see here. Where are the? Oh yeah, here it is. I'm gonna keep it here. Let me just duplicate them around to give everyone chances to pick one up. And we are going to group it. So actually let's put them in a folder because grouping may cause some errors. So tools, so these are the tools which players can be spawned here and pick up. Later on we'll make it more better, like random spawning tools. So we can actually do it now, but I don't think we should waste time on that. We should basically do the basics. So this is going to be the main map. Just call it map, and it should teleport players to random places here. So I'm going to make a part. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, I'm gonna make a part and raise it a bit, and anchored should be true, and transparent should be 1, and could should be true. Can collide false. So that's gonna be like a spawn location. I'm gonna just name spawn lock, and all we do is just duplicate it everywhere. So this battle royale is basically where the player just gets put into a spawn location. Later on we can make like a battle bus if I want to. Yeah. So yep, that's enough. I'm gonna just group the spawn locations so that it's easier to access them and put it inside the map. And now I'm gonna just duplicate this and put it all the way there. Come back to that and name this lobby. And we don't need any of this. So yeah, the lobby the size is actually gonna be a bit lower, maybe like 750 by 750. That's enough. So the next thing we should put is a spawn location. So whenever the player gets put into the game, they should spawn here. So I can just spawn locations. Adding multiple would be better, and let's just parent that inside lobby. Okay, let's make a lobby like let's go with the sand. Okay, the lobby is going to be like a sand texture. Yeah, now we can start scripting a bit to do the main stuff, like teleporting the player in the game. So insert script service, I'm going to put a script and call it game handler. Replicator storage, we're gonna put string value. Most people use this, you just say status. I think even Alvin Blocks uses this, and most of y'all might be familiar with it, but that's what I call it too. So we need another variable called an object called bool. This is going to be called round started. Sorry. So let's get to the scripting. The server, the replicator storage, which is a service, and let's even get server storage, even though it's not important to now. That will help later on. Then we should get the value objects, which is the status and round started. My bad. The next thing we might need is the workspace variables, which is local map and the lobby. So the workspace variables are the stuff in the workspace. Value objects are whatever which has a single value. That's how I call it. These are comments, don't need to worry about it, just to stay clear of any confusion. Anyways, yeah, now we can actually wait for players. So we will basically wait until there are players more than one, so we can continue. So you can do this for that. Repeat wait until game.players get players. Make sure you put the hashtag behind. So this will return the amount of players in the game, and if it's 2, then if it's 2, then if it's bigger than 1, then no then. So what this does is it will wait for the total players to be bigger than 1. So if it's 2, it will run. If it's 2 or more, it will run. So now we can just set the status value to players. No, game about to start. Let's just put like a professional word, like commence. Here status value is waiting for players, and I'm gonna put like a bracket, and here say game.players get players, and what this will do is inside the brackets tell how many players are there. Actually this won't run well actually, because it's repeating wait, it's not repeating. Yeah, so you know what, we are gonna do spawn function, say while true do wait. So it's gonna repeat wait here and say game about to commence. On second thought, I don't think we should do that, so let's just keep it on that. Waiting for players. We don't want to go so deep that y'all don't understand. So status value game about to commence, and we can wait a bit more since some players may take time to join, because we don't want to start when there's 2 players. We need to start when there are the maximum amount of players under a certain time. So you can just start a loop which will go for a while. So what this will do is it will go for 30 seconds. Why I did it this way is because then we can keep track of what time we're on. So game about to commence. We can actually put that here. Commence game commence in so this should work, and then we need to start the game. So we can just basically start the game by first teleporting the players to the battlefield. So we are gonna get a players in-game array and then loop through all the players. So pass game.players get players do, and we're gonna insert them. So we'll insert inside the players in game. Alright, so all the players in the game will be teleported. So now since we got everyone, one thing we're gonna do is create them a tag, so we can keep track of them being in the game. My bad. So we can even use the collection service and add them a tag too, but I don't think it's necessary. So yeah, tag is not an object in the game, as you can see. It's just a way we call it. It can be a bool value, and tag.parent equals to player, and tag.value equals to true, and make sure the tag.name equals to tag. Yeah, so that should pretty much make that. So the next thing is we have all the players in the game. We are going to start a we should teleport all the players into the map. So right, so we got the map. The tools are not necessary right now. Spawn location. So we're gonna get the spawn locations, which is in the map. Spawn locations get children. So we will be getting all the spawn location in a table. So it will return a table with all spawns. Then we can just get a random one from it. So cool. So we're gonna we're gonna again start a loop through players in game. We need to get their character, which is player. And once we get the character, we can just get the root, which is this root is to teleport the player, waiting for character to load. Okay, so we're going to teleport the players. To do that, we need to first get a random spawn location. So we can basically do this. We can get spawn equals spawn locations math.random 1 hashtag spawn locations. So this will return a return a random spawn location, and we should teleport them there. So get spawn so root.cframe equals to get spawn cframe, and yes, that's pretty much it. So that should teleport us. Then it should start a timer. So actually we don't need a timer in a battle royale unless there's like a zone closing in, so we might not need it. But the next thing we might need is waiting for the players to actually be won, since in battle royale only one player can win. So one player should remain and the others should die. So to do that, there are some stuff. So I'm gonna end. Oh my bad. I'm gonna end off this video after doing it. So let's see how long we've been recording. 16 minutes. Yeah, by 20 minutes I can finish it off, I guess. So we're gonna make a remote event. Actually, I think we can do it in the server itself. I'm gonna just put a script in replicator storage. I'm gonna just call it player handler and say game.players.player edit, connect to a function. It's gonna be the player. Yeah, it's yeah, we will get the player. Player.character added weight root. No, we don't need the, we need the humanoid. Yeah, humanoid, and we are gonna oh my god, we're gonna spawn a function, and humanoid.tied connect to a function. So whenever the humanoid dies, whenever the humanoid dies, it should reduce, it should remove its name. Yeah. Oh, okay. I got a perfect idea to tackle this off. We are gonna put string alive here. Actually, it's gonna, let's make it int alive, and the value should be 1. Since the tag exists inside, it will obviously be doing the thing. We are gonna create a index here which is 0, and we are going to, whenever we add 1, we're going to say index equals to +1, I mean plus equals to 1, and we call it the index. So whenever it loop through the first player, it will, the index will be 1 and their tag will be 1, so they will hold the position of a 1 inside this table. And yeah, we should forget that script for now and come up here and run this. So whenever the player dies, no, actually we can go right under and run it here. So whenever the humanoid dies, we can basically, actually, second thought, let's go back to the player. My bad, guys, my bad. Anyways, we can look for the tag inside first. So local find tag equals to char find first child tag. It should be inside here. So whenever the humanoid dies, it will look for the tag. If find tag, then let's go back to the game handler and paste it, because we need the table. So I'm really stupid, guys. I'm my bad. Anyways, so now we can just remove the players in game. So table dot remove players in game, and the number position will be find tag dot value. That's basically it. So once we do find tag dot value, yeah, it should remove the value from the table. Yep. Okay, we can continue. My time is up, guys. We can actually start it and check, but before ending, I'm just gonna quickly make a screen GUI and make a text label, and the text scaled, and put a local script inside that, and quickly get replicate storage and get the status, which should be available, and just game get service runs service dot render connect to a function, and yeah, status dot value, no, script up here in the text equals the string status dot no value. Okay, so let's start the game. I'm pretty sure we'll just stay in the lobby for a while, unless there's a problem. Hold up, whoops, my bad. Okay, 22 minutes. As you can see, it says waiting for players. We can actually, for now, testing purposes, we can change this to 0, so any amount of players, the game will start in 30 seconds. As you can see, it says game will commence in 25 seconds, so I'm actually gonna wait. You can take a look at the output, looking for errors or any bugs. As you can see, it teleported us, even though it didn't change the status value since we didn't continue from it. I'll continue in the next episode or part. Yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna save it real quick. Battle Royale game. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Peace.